I'm Eric Ebel with another Museum Marketing Minute, also known as How to Sell Yourself in 60 Seconds, brought to you free from Washington Our Home Communications. Remember when you were a kid and your grandparents would tell war stories or share age-old recipes? These stories passed down from our elders are more than just entertaining anecdotes. They're oral history. There's something about hearing history from the mouth of someone who lived it that gives it an amazing authenticity and brings it to life. As more and more of our most honored residents leave us, we're in danger of losing those irreplaceable memories. Creating an oral history program can be as easy as identifying members of your community with a unique or rare perspective on the people, places, and events that took place there, and then sitting down with them to record a conversation. Once you've got it recorded and edited, you can store it in your archives indefinitely for future generations to appreciate. And there's always the chance that it could result in a legacy donation to your museum as well. Of course, if you need help, let Washington Our Home sit down with your revered community members, and we'll produce professional, broadcast quality audio that will last generations. Reach out to us at WashingtonOurHome.com and be sure to subscribe to get more free museum marketing tips and tricks. Thanks.